A is for apple. Apple. Ang galing ah. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H is for house. House. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jeep. Mali pala. Oh, K pa. K. Ito po na. K is for koala. Koala. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pear. Pear. Nagmamadali ha. Q is for queen. Dito muna. Queen. R is for rabbit. Wala, nagmadali na. Shortcut ka. V is for violin. Pagod na si mama. Ano yan? X, Y, and Z. Where's color red? A, L, P, H, A, B, E, T. Alphabet. Ang mura lang nito guys, 88 pesos lang siya, 10 pieces na. Ito pa yung iba. Diba? Marami rin po siyang klase. Numbers. Yan. Sulit na po, no? 10 pieces na siya.